Mathaa-inĩ ma thaa thita na ndagĩka 5 hakuhĩ na Kikopey, barabara-inĩ ya Naikuru guthii Nairobi, niho mutino ũyũ ũhanikire ũgĩkuruhania Nissan ya gukua thii 18 na turera na gũcũngĩrĩria ikuũ cia andũ 13 hau.
Dereva wa matatu ni kama alishikwa na kausigizi kidogo wakati alipokuwa anaendesha gari yake, akasonga upande ule mwingine, akakuta lori nayo inateremka ikitoka upande wa maraba, zikakutana kichwa kwa kichwa.
Subaru ikarudi kwa barabara, ikarudi side yake, Nissan ikasidwa kuingia. Turera nayo ilikuwa imekuja ikipiga mahoni, ikagonga hiyo Nissan. Kila mtu akakufa, ikabaki watu watatu, mtoto na msichana na mzee mmoja.
Kũringana na munene wa borithi kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru Emmanuel Opuru, arĩa makuire magũikĩtio nĩ Nissan ya andũ 18 ĩrĩa ĩgũthiaga mwena wa Naikuru.
This is not a matatu that normally plies this road. I think this is maybe the first time they are using this road. Yeah. Drivers should exercise caution while on roads. The matatu was trying to overtake, and that actually could be the cause of the accident.
Opuru augĩte ndereba wa Nissan ĩno akũgeragia kũhĩtũka ngari hĩndĩ ĩrĩa akoranire na turera ĩno na gũcũngĩrĩria ikuũ ici na nguraro cia andũ angĩ atatũ, erĩ ao marĩ ciana.
Matatu was overtaking, and then it rammed into a trailer head on, causing 13 fatalities on the spot.
Sababu matatu ilikuwa mbele yangu, all of a sudden nikaona imevuka upande ule mwingine wa barabara, ikakutana kichwa kwa kichwa na lori. Mimi nilikuwa nyuma yake, nikaona sitarudishana nyuma. Mwishowe nikaona sasa lagu lile ningefanya ni kurusha gari yangu chini. Na hata ukiangalia gari yangu hapa imefanya kuguzwa na hiyo matatu. Nilipoweka gari yangu kando, nikajaribu kufuja kioo. Hata kale katoto kamoja tumeweka kwa gari pale, ndio nimeumia hapo kwa mkono, nimefuja na mkono hiyo kioo ya nyuma ya hiyo matatu.
Arĩa magurarire mutino-inĩ ũyũ marathiĩ na mbere na kũrigitwo thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Gilgil, gũkũ nayo mĩĩrĩ ya arĩa makuire ĩgĩtwarwo nyũmba-inĩ ya kũiga mĩĩrĩ ya Gilgil.
Very fatal accident whereby I witnessed a loss of so many lives. It's really devastating. It's something that it's affecting me. Yani kuna hiyo unafikiria vile hao watu walikuwa kwa gari.
Kũringana na riboti kuma rũhonge-inĩ rwa borithi, ngari ĩno ĩgũkomboretwo gũtwara andũ aya igongona-inĩ rĩa famĩlĩ kuma gũkũ Nairobi.
I just want to urge drivers that you exercise a lot of caution while driving along these roads. We find that this area is a black spot, and we also wanted to call upon Kenya to come up with a temporary measure to see how to address this matter, because this road around this area is so narrow.
Borithi nĩ mambĩrĩirie ũthuthuria wa mutino ũyũ.
Investigations have been launched. We are yet to establish actually exactly what caused the accident, and that one will be determined after conclusion of the investigations.
Mutino ũyũ ũhanikĩte mũthenya ũmwe tu thutha wa ngari ya ambulance ya St Mary's Elementaita kũgĩa na mutino mwena wa Kimende o barabara-inĩ ĩno na kũraga andũ 6.